Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Audi A8 key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. It's usually a tiny, almost hidden button. Press and hold this button firmly. While holding it, gently pull out the emergency key blade. This metal blade slides out from the top or side of the fob. Once the blade is fully removed, you've completed the first crucial step. Now that the emergency key blade is out, look closely at the opening where it was housed. You'll notice a small, narrow slot or indentation within this space. This isn't just a random gap, it's a designated point for prying. This slot is precisely engineered to give you leverage, allowing you to safely separate the two halves of the key fob without causing any damage. Take a moment to clearly identify it. With the slot identified, it's time to carefully pry open the fob. Take a thin, flat tool, such as a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Insert the tip of your chosen tool into that narrow slot. Apply gentle, steady pressure. Slowly twist or pry the tool. You should feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate with a slight click. Be patient and avoid excessive force. Congratulations, your key fob is now open. You'll see the small, round battery nestled inside. Most Audi A8 key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Carefully remove the old battery and insert a new one, ensuring correct polarity. Once the new battery is in place, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely. Finally, reinsert the emergency key blade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.